Hey, Adam here with a simple and fast review of the Fishboy Collapsible Stool. We're going to open it up, show you what it looks like, test it out, and of course let you know whether or not it's worth buying. So as we get this out of its box, should be pretty simple to operate conceptually, but there is in there, sorry, dropped it, an instruction manual that will kind of walk you through this in multiple languages. So just going to show you kind of first and foremost kind of the carry piece. This does adjust as needed as well. If we want to throw this over the shoulder, we'll have that piece, which is really nice. And then have kind of not rubberized but plastic here, and I'm just going to try and make sure there's nothing that I'm missing that I need to point out to you. And so I can't see anything. Again, this is adjustable if needed for the shoulders. You have the hand strap. Just tighten this up just because I probably won't be doing this. I'm going to be using this on my back deck, frankly. So you'll see the two finger holes on each side. All you're going to do is kind of pull and you'll twist a little bit. So there's a slight twist. And as you can kind of see, I want you to focus right in there to close it. We're literally just going to twist a little. Actually, you don't even have to twist. You just pull and then kind of close again. And the idea is that it kind of twists into place. So as you open, you're going to want to twist clockwise. And when you close, you'll pull it back and twist counterclockwise and get it all the way to close. So again, I'm going to open, twist clockwise, and it will be solid and adjustable, which is a great part. So if you just need a little seat, we can kind of get it to wherever you need it to be. There's another one. So again, and just bears weight. So I'm going to be using it to stand on and sit in multiple situations on my back deck, but we'll go ahead and show you use case out there. All right, so just want to show you again, the key to this is going to be simply just pull apart and twist into place. And you've got a simple seat just about anywhere you need to be, which is fantastic. Again, most importantly, you can stand up on it if you can balance. It'll take all your weight. I think it takes up to like 400 pounds, something ridiculous like that. And it's just definitely huge. Great to hold. Again, it is what it is. It's a flat, simple, piece of equipment that again just folds up, very tight and small, easy to be portable. So to me, it's definitely worth buying. Hopefully this review helps you. Thanks for watching.